We're all looking for ways to grow disc golf. Here's something you can do that doesn't cost a thing but can have a big impact. Shop at smile.amazon.com. When you shop at smile.amazon.com, the prices are the same, the selection is the same, but Amazon will donate a portion of your purchase to any organization you choose. Guess what? The EDGE program is one of these organizations. What's EDGE? It's the Educational Disc Golf Experience. It's a program for educators and youth groups to teach kids disc golf. Sign in to smile.amazon.com on your desktop or mobile phone browser. From your desktop, go to your account from the navigation at the top of any page, and then select the option to change your charity. Search for Educational Disc Golf Experience, click the Select button for the EDGE program. That's it. Share this with your friends and family, and let's grow the sport of disc golf. Are my glasses on straight?